Hello, I'm Denise Anderson, Professor of Graphic Design. My colleagues, Dr. Singh and Professor Swab and I are part of a research project exploring the learning outcomes for students who take interdisciplinary experiential courses. As universities look for new ways to attract, retain, and prepare students for the future success to enhance student engagement and higher graduation rates, experiential learning and interdisciplinary studies are proven contributors to this goal. ID studies involve collaboration across academic fields where students learn diverse perspectives and collaborate with others. Experiential learning involves hands-on experiences and applying classroom theories to real-life situations through higher order thinking. What we learned in literature review is that a strong sense of self-efficacy has positive effects on learning outcomes. The higher a student's self-efficacy, the more a student is engaged. And when courses enhance students' professional skills, engagement in classes increases, and student engagement fuels academic success. Furthermore, we learn students who feel successful have positive relationships with people at work, the people at and with their university. And ID studies fosters the development of essential generic skills such as collaboration, teamwork, creative thinking. Both the depth and breadth of students' experiences are linked to a well-rounded education and a desire to remain at their institution. So based on our literature review, we developed a conceptual model and a research question. Does student self-efficacy, engagement, university satisfaction, and generic skills differ from those taking ID and experiential courses? So to test our research, the faculty developed a survey with questions we found in literature review. We sent out the survey via an independent marketing research agency. Responses included 222 US college students from four-year institution averaging about 20 years of age. Demographics show that they were predominantly white from public institutions, with many of them graduating in 4 years. Slightly more than half of the students surveyed had taken ID and experiential courses. So Dr. Swing put together some statistical models, and he measured the following things. So again, because self-efficacy and student engagement are unobservable latent variables, there's no quantitative ways to measure success. So the three models were used to confirm if there was a relationship between self-efficacy and engagement, to estimate the hierarchical structure between the latent variables, and to test the differences between students who took ID and experiential and those who did not. Results from our survey show a statistical significant relationship between self-efficacy and student engagement. In addition, we found statistical evidence to support each one of our hypotheses. Students with ID and experiential courses have higher self-efficacy, are more engaged, have more developed generic skills, and are more satisfied with the university they attend as compared to students with no ID and experiential courses. Our research supports that ID and experiential courses have value to higher education. It contributes to a higher self-efficacy and engagement and satisfaction with the university. It better prepares students to learn generic skills, as I mentioned, collaboration, teamwork, creative thinking. And these are 21st century competencies for solving big, hairy, audacious problems. And it can be used as a positioning strategy and an acquisition or retention tools for university. To learn more about our research and for further discussion, attend our session at the Kean Faculty Research Conference. And thank you for listening.